Okay. Let's give them some commands. Tia clearly is listening to me. You go around the outside. Tonto, you come inside with me. All right? She's playing it cool, but she's got the command. All right. Puppy goes in. You go around. Let's go, Tonto. He knows exactly where to go. Come, let's go inside. Yeah, very good, very good. Now let's see if his sister, she understood the brief. If so, she'll be coming running through the door right there now. Any second. There we go. Very good. Not in much of a rush today.